Adrian, we're at the Manufacturing Solutions 2019 show. Now you've been here, or this is your third year, but can you tell me about your links to the LIT?
Yeah, sure. The LIT's something we've been supporting for a few years now. One of our apps engineers did his training here at the LIT. He was a student here prior to working for us. So we've got very, very strong links with the staff and the LIT in general, really. But we've supported them with the equipment that they use on their machines down in the training school.
Now, when you look at the Irish market, how important is that to Ceratizit?
Huge. It's a fantastic market for us. We have 4 guys in Ireland, permanently based in Ireland, 4 Irish lads working in Ireland, working with Irish customers. We find that the market in Ireland is very, very proactive, very forward-thinking. Our customers in Ireland are not afraid to invest in new technology. If they see a benefit, whether that be a machine tool, a cutting tool, a piece of software, if it's beneficial to them, they go and invest in it.
And when you look through the new Ceratizit catalogue, you've got over 50,000 standard parts. That must be a massive benefit for you, not just in Ireland, but generally.
Yeah, absolutely. It's key to what we do, really, is having that standard X-stock availability across the board of 50-odd thousand part numbers available for next day delivery.
And when I speak to a lot of the machine tool companies that send product into Ireland, very big into aerospace and medical, do you see that, or do you see a wider field of applications?
Both, really. The aerospace and medical industries in Ireland are obviously a big part of the engineering industry. But we supply not just to those industries. We have a lot of customers in Ireland that are just in the subcontract industry, and they will be supporting all sorts of engineering. So our goal is to support all of them, irrespective of the industry that they're working in.
And finally, Ceratizit, the group with WNT and your other subsidiary companies, is that a benefit overall to your Irish customers?
Again, yeah, without doubt. The addition of the new companies within the group massively strengthens our product portfolio, gives us much more opportunity to sell more products to customers from one source, all with that next day delivery.
And for any engineers in Ireland that may not know Ceratizit, what would be your message to them?
I think the fact that we've got 4 guys permanently based here, engineers, all 4 guys are engineers, they're here to support customers. You know, that's the key goal to everything we do, is support of the customer.